How to align text in CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, open up the CapCut in your device. After that, once you have added your text to your project, now if you like to change the alignment, all you have to do is head over to your timeline, then click on your text for once. And after you do that, if you navigate to your top right corner, there you will have an edit section. So there at first it says font, so you can change the font system to other one. After that, you can either increase or decrease the font size with the help of this slider right here, and under that you can get style, case, color, character, and under that there is an alignment. Now to change the alignment, you have to simply click on the alignment that you would like to do. There are several types of alignment that you can do. The first one, the second one, the third one, fourth one, fifth, and sixth one. So you can choose any of this from here the way you want in your project. I will go with the first one. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you will have another option as preset style, where you get all the text style. You can choose any one from there, and you can increase this position and size with the help of slider as well. You can manually type in the position as well, and under that there is an option for blend, stroke, background, shadow, so you can also change your text style with that too. Now simply, if you would like to move it anywhere in your project, then simply head over to this text box and then tap and hold or click and hold, and you can move anywhere you want. So that's how you can use alignment in CapCut. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.